What's up, guys? Sean from Srkcycles with our newest employee, a dog. And we are going to tell you guys, you smell like a dog. We are going to tell you guys about the trying to eat my beard. But these 6 awesome, hold up, focus, there we go. But the 6 awesome bikes that you can buy for less than $6,000, starting with test driving everything and anything with 2 wheels to help you find your next bike. I'm Sean Kerr, and this is Srkcycles. The Honda Goldwing. Love these bikes. Check them out. Here's one, 1800. What are the second year of the 1800. These are great bikes. They do last forever. Don't be scared to buy one with over 100,000 miles on it. Just make sure it's been maintained-ish. It's a Honda. And you can definitely buy the 1500s for less than that price. Killer deal. Number 2. And this is in no real order, except for it ends with the best one. Awesome bike. 2000, doesn't matter what year it is. Any Yamaha Raider. It's a 1900cc giant big bore V-twin. It's the closest thing that the Japanese will ever get to American muscle. And it's a really fun bike. It's a 113 cubic inch motor, which is a blast to drive. I love the way you sit. It's very comfortable. It's kind of like a recliner. Your feet are out forward. And the way the bike is, it kind of feels like you have apes, but it's all just part of the bike. They're a very, very comfortable bike, and they're super, super cheap. Big all back tire on the back too. Definitely in the muscle bike category. Next bike, number 3. One of my favorites. This is a Suzuki M109. This bike really solidified power cruiser market. Big power, big back tire, just big everything. It's a giant motorcycle. Definitely not one for the faint of heart. It's fast and it's ridiculous, and that's why people love it. And they come in really cool colors. So, and this is, under $6,000. It's really hard to beat it. And I think the bike came out in like 2006. Great bike. But the next one, number 4, is the Triumph Thruxton. Thruxton is in the Bonneville family. The Thruxton is a little more sportier, and they are great bikes. 2016 Thruxton for $1,500 is super, super cheap. They're not normally that cheap, but you can find an older one. They are great bikes. They are reliable. They were fuel injected, and they're just all around a blast to drive. Super comfortable, super cool looking. I love that classic style. Let's go to the 5th bike is a Honda Fury. Honda Furies are a great bang for the buck. I've test driven a bunch of these on the Srkcycles YouTube channel. If you like that chopper-esque look, this could absolutely be the bike for you. It's one of the only bikes that you get that chopper look, but you get reliability all in the same package, which generally you might get a chopper, but it's not going to be. It looks cool, but it doesn't ride very well. It occasionally starts without doing anything else to it, and it doesn't handle, perform, or feel good at all. This bike actually does those things pretty well, considering what it is. They're fun to ride. It's a 1300cc V-twin, and killer value for these bikes. The last one is the reason why everyone hates people who ride KTM, and that is the KTM 525. And you know exactly what I'm talking about if you know anyone who has one, and if you have one yourself, you just don't realize that everyone hates you because you have it. It is a blast of a bike. It's tons of fun. First, second, third gear, you're just riding wheelies all over the place. You can't help but act like a maniac, and your neighbors hate you. You're doing burnouts in people's driveways and people's front yards, backyards, doing wheels. It's a blast to drive. You're jumping off the stairs with it. Great bike. This is way less than $6,000, $4,200. You can get these things for cheap. It is an on-road, off-road bike, and that kind of wraps it up. We'll see you guys later. We're doing more videos about this. If you've not seen the first video, go check it out right over here. First video, we have like 10 bikes for under $5,000. A really, really, really good list. Remember, it's not what you're riding, but where are you going? Guys, if you did not see the last video of 10 or 12 awesome bikes that you can buy for under $5,000, click right here, click right over here to check that out. Also, Srkcycles is a motorcycle dealership. So you can check out our website, srkcycles.com. You can watch our videos on YouTube, and we ship bikes all over the country. See you guys later.